Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Try this face pack at home. It is very effective for skin. It is help to get spotless, clean, clear, glowing and bright skin just in 7 days. 2 simple and permanent skin whitening face mask. Get fair, spotless, glowing skin naturally. First of all, easy homemade cucumber face mask recipes to nourish skin. The most widely used vegetable in salads. Cucumber wonderfully cools your body in this cheap, humble and easily available vegetable is packed with nutrients that are beneficial for our body and skin. So before we start this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more video. First step. Cucumber is a favorite extract when it comes to formulation cosmetic products. It is herbal and non-irritating and often used as a remedy for growing skin and puffy eyes. It is widely used as an ingredient in creams, gels and face packs. Most of the best face packs that use cucumber. We are sure you have not heard about this one. Just add a dash of sugar in mashed cucumber seeds. It will make your skin glow suddenly as it soothes and hydrates. It is rich in antioxidants. A study claims that brown sugar can eliminate harmful free radicals. Its antioxidant properties. This cucumber face pack will rejuvenate your skin and make it glow. Apply the face pack and rinse after 50 to 20 minutes. This cucumber face pack is ideal for dry skin. This cucumber face mask replenishes your skin and gives it a glow. Second step. Tomato pulp is antibacterial and antifungal is nature. It balances the skin's pH levels, which in turn balance the natural oil product by the skin. It removes dead cells and tightens pores. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato pulp and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now mix it well and apply in on your face, hand and leg skin. Massage it on skin and make a thin layer on your skin, then go away for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash off with normal water. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please do share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.